Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding XRP. We're going to be analyzing the charts to see what are the news revolving around XRP right now and where the prices could really be going in the immediate short term. So if you guys like these kind of updates, continue liking, commenting, and subscribing. And now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of XRP right now, currently sitting at 46.7 cents, up about 0.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up about 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $24.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $1.1 billion. That is a positive thing that I will definitely point out. The buying pressure is definitely quite high, and that is something really nice to point out to you guys. But before we get into the analysis, guys, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And give you guys my personal take on this entire thing that's going on. So as you guys can see, it says Ripple and SEC have asked Judge Torres to extend the deadline for the filing the public redacted version of the summary judgment motion to June 13th. Both sides could use this time not only to prepare their filing but to negotiate. I'm optimistic, and due to this news, everyone is going crazy, and everyone is saying this is it. This could be the time where we really fly off. This could be the time where everything comes to an end. So I'm going to give you guys my personal take on that, and of course we're going to analyze the charts. But before we get into that, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, let's discuss this thing that has just come out that's exciting everyone. I just want to say something. Relax, settle down, let's all wake up for a bit. The reason as to why I'm saying that, you might come and say, why are you not spreading some positivity? Remember, I love XRP. I absolutely love XRP, and I want this project to succeed. I want the holders to make massive gains. But with that said, there's a lot of things that come out and they are taken out of proportion. People make their own things up. People, twist their own opinions into it, and then it becomes bigger than ever. We've seen this over and over and over again. News like this has come out so many different times, and it's always been not as hyped when it really comes down to it. So I wouldn't really take it really seriously until we actually hear from Brad Garlinghouse himself. Of course, I've shared with you guys my personal thoughts on XRP, and I've been straightforward with you guys. I'm saying that if this lawsuit were not to come to an end before this year comes to an end, then I think XRP once again is going to be lagging behind the entire market. It's not only that, it's not going to see its all-time highs, and that's just how it's going to be. Because money is still on the sidelines. Of course, if this lawsuit were to come to an end, we all know what can happen with XRP. I personally think we will see XRP fly to its all-time highs really fast. But with that said, a lot of news goes out on a single basis about XRP, and most of it gets taken out of proportion. So I want you guys to relax, not get too much of your hopes up. Now, what everyone's going to be thinking about right now is the date June 13th. That June 13th is going to be that good old date where everything is going to be all good. This entire lawsuit is going to come to an end and everyone will be happy. Like I said, let's not get our hopes up right now about this. But as far as the price, so what could we potentially see with the price, especially now leading to June 13th? Could we see a new yearly high for the price of XRP? And that's what I will discuss. So you guys can see this for yourself. Let's bring out the measuring tool for you guys and see how far we are in order for us to see a new yearly high. In order for us to see a new yearly high, we would need a move of about 28% in the price of XRP. And we've seen that happen before. We've seen the power of XRP. We've seen when things really start rolling for this project, it can go up really fast. So what I could see happening leading to now that there's a date set up, everyone is thinking that this is going to be that big day, there is a potential that we could see XRP breaking out of this level of resistance and actually retesting the 78.6 fib level and setting itself up for a new yearly high. Of course, that will be great. But with that said, if this were to come to June 13th and this lags again over and over again, guess what's going to happen to the price? We're going to see the price once again dip down. And right now we are seeing XRP hold quite well compared to other altcoins. You guys know Bitcoin is taking a retracement within its price, and altcoins right now across the market generally all are still lagging behind BTC, but we're seeing XRP hold quite well over the past few days. And of course that is because of the hype that is building up around this. People are getting very excited, so that is causing the price to really stay stagnant around here. And you guys can see, especially on the hourly time frame, we're facing massive levels of resistance right now for the price of XRP. If it were to break this level of resistance, we could shoot past this level of resistance at 50 cents, and that can really get things rolling for XRP. So in order for us to even break out of this level of resistance, that is a move of about 8.5%, which again, like I've mentioned, I could see that happening, especially because, the overall buying pressure is there right now. A lot of people are getting excited. Everyone is talking about XRP. It's been trending literally for the past few days now on Twitter because a lot of interest is coming in. But, I don't got my hopes up at all. Because we've seen this over and over again, and now of course news articles are going to literally take this out of proportion, make articles about it, really bringing in that hype factor. And June 13th is gonna come. I hope I'm wrong. I really hope I'm wrong, but I think June 13th is gonna come, and this is just gonna be another one of those where things just are not settled. Of course, I would love for the settlement to come. If this were to settle, we are about to see XRP fly to all-time highs, in my opinion. And not only that, this is going to be bullish for the entire markets as well, especially altcoins. That's my projection. If this lawsuit came to an end and XRP started its rally, I'm projecting that the altcoin season can begin. That's how big of a statement I'm making. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Everyone has their own opinions, and it should be respected, and it's never financial advice. But if we're looking at BTC on the other hand, which is the king of the markets, we're seeing Bitcoin once again back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. There's a huge fight going on lately between the bulls and the bears, and right now we can clearly see that the bears do have the edge. Because we're in the 78.6. Of course, we would love to be in the 61.8, but I'm okay even if Bitcoin were to drop to $25,000 mark. So if that happens, yes, it is going to impact XRP in the immediate short term. But if we reclaim that level of resistance at 28,700, I really do think that XRP can start headed back to new yearly highs. So that is my current take on this entire situation. I would say let's not get our hopes up. Of course, everything is going to be blown out of proportion right now, but we will see how things go. Of course, if anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. But that is it for today's update. But do let me know down below what are your thoughts. If you guys want me to cover XRP more often, hit that in the comment section. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.